How to change age in Brawl Stars. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to change age in Brawl Stars. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Play Store or App Store. Then here on the search menu, simply search for Brawl Stars. Then simply click onto the application. Now scroll down a bit, and then here you can see an option named App Support. Simply click onto it. Then here simply click on Email. Wait until you will be redirected to the Gmail application. Then here simply write that I have entered my age wrong, so can you please help me to reset it. After that, simply click on Send button. Then within couple of hours or within couple of days, the team will reach out to you and then provide an appropriate fix for your problem. So in this very simple way you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.